Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to say, not doing blinking target or hunting or anything. I was at home and I just saw something. What I saw, I don't know, is a nice species like of bird. I don't know if you guys can tell me what it is. Check this out. I'm gonna release it though. I'm gonna release it. But it looks lovely. Check this. Say hello. Say hello. You gonna say hello? Come, let's release you. Go to your wild thing. Now, let's swap the camera the other way around. Here we go. Come. Oh. No, I just want to let you go. I just want to let you go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come, let's go. No, let's go. Don't worry. I'm going to take you outside, but don't touch my ear, all right? I'm telling you, don't touch my ear. I'm going to release. I'm going to name it Lucky. I'm going to call it Lucky. He find me. He find me so I can release it. Let's go. No, don't. You ready? Let's open the door. That's it. It's going now. Go on, Lucky. Get your freedom. Way. He's gone to his freedom. Luckily, he's gone to his freedom. Well, I'm gonna miss Lucky. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.